Hey man, I got these on. Got me looking like a boss, feeling like a boss. I'm finna go make some boss moves. Simple as that, you feel me? Like, come on, man. These glasses on, I'm not trying to talk. I'm here to make business moves and make money transactions. That's all I'm here for. And then I gotta go about my day. That's how I feel. That's what these are giving, bro. What's up, 2Fly fam? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. If you want to join this family, like this video, subscribe, and show the channel some love. If this is your first time clicking on one of my videos and first time seeing me, I'm 2Fly B. I have another lit video for y'all today. Now, one of my favorite brands is Balenciaga. I like brands that start with B's, a little biased, but without further ado, let's go and hop into it. And another one. Come on, man. Another pair of Balenciaga sunglasses. Y'all know I got a few pairs of Balenciaga sunglasses on my channel already. So if you haven't seen all those yet, once you get done watching this video, go check those out. But alright, 2Fly fam, let's get into it. This is the pouch it came in. It says Balenciaga on it. Kind of hard material. All black going around. As I open this up, we're greeted with the glasses. Put these over here. We have the little cleaning cloth. And it is branded. As you see, it's branded. It says Balenciaga. Then in here we have the Balenciaga authentication paperwork. Open it on the back. You know, got the card and everything else up in here. Make sure you can see that. Okay. And before we get into the sunglasses, I want to get into the case real quick. I want to show y'all. Look at the inside. I like how the inside says Balenciaga print all around. Subtle details, but it's a nice added detail. Soft materials in the inside. It's definitely lined with felt. Alright, y'all. Let's put that stuff to the side. Alright, guys. So they come in this plastic. And you just take this out. And my. Look at these, man. These are the sunglasses. I'm going to give a full 360 before I get into the details. But man, are these nice. Alright, quick backstory. I did not order these sunglasses. Well, I ordered these sunglasses, but not in this colorway. I ordered them in the black colorway. I was looking just for some black Balenciaga sunglasses with silver detailing on the side. And they did not send me the black colorway. They ended up sending me this colorway. So at first I was looking at it, and as I seen it, as I was unboxing, I'm like, wait, this is not the color. I had to go back to my order just to see what colorway that I picked. And I did indeed pick the black colorway. So I knew off back I was going to send these back because it wasn't what I ordered. But then when I took them out the plastic, yeah, as y'all already see, I kept them. I decided to keep them. And I like these better anyway. Honestly, this colorway wasn't even an option. They only had it in black. So how they sent this to me by accident, I have no clue. But I'm just going to say God did, because this is hard if you ask me. Alright, let's get into the, let's go and hop into it, guys. So you guys see, this design is kind of like a marble effect. It's giving like a gray marble. I see hints of gray, white, black. This is a very uniquely done pair of sunglasses. Into the right arm, you see it's just the marble going down. Nothing on the outside of the right arm. But in the inside of that right arm, it says Balenciaga. Okay, you see, hold on, make sure you can see that. Yeah, in the inside of the right arm, it says Balenciaga, made in Italy. On the outside left arm, we have Balenciaga in silver. As you see that, it says, it has the BB, and then up under it, it says Balenciaga. So if people don't know what the BB stand for, which is Balenciaga, they also have it written out up under it. I like that little feature, because you know with the Balenciaga, they don't put their logo on both arms. I would prefer if they did, but I mean, it's cool. And then in the inside of that arm, we just have the serial numbers. In the inside of the arm, it just shows the serial numbers. And it's a little tag to show how much it was. And for anybody wondering, there was $380 before taxes. Okay, getting into the outside of the glasses. Just look how these look. In the top right lens, we have Balenciaga. I like that. So it's cool that it's not on the right arm, because on the right lens it says Balenciaga, and then on the left lens it doesn't say Balenciaga, but on the left arm it says Balenciaga. So I guess on both ends you kind of catching it. As long as they see you from the front and not just from the right side, they'll know what's going on. But also, that doesn't matter. That don't make me no never mind. I like these glasses. I know what's going on. Under is nothing. On top of it is nothing as well. The little bridge part here. And I really do just like this effect. So let's get a little bit closer, shall we? I really do like this effect of these sunglasses. These are really nice. Like, I'm just trying to get close in a little bit so you guys can actually see what this looks like, because these are crazy, and I don't know if the camera is actually picking up. I just hope it does. So y'all, imagine you just order a black pair of sunglasses, just because, you know, I got a couple pair of black Balenciaga sneakers, so I just wanted a black pair, and this not even been an option online, and accidentally send you this pair. Man, and I love gray marble. Like, it's this pair of gray marble Louis Vuitton millionaire sunglasses that I've been eyeing, and I want. That's on my wish list. They're on my wish list as well. And man, I feel like these are just giving me this is just giving me a step closer. I'm gonna try them on for y'all now. Look at these sunglasses on my face. Like, how do y'all feel about these? Man, these look good to me. It's like, what, man? I wasn't even expecting these, and it's like, yeah, these are a bigger pair, but man, I just love I just really love what it's doing. I'll turn to the left. This is my right profile. This is how it's look from the side. And then on the left, if I turn to the right, my left pointer, this is my left profile. You see the Balenciaga is in silver, so it's not doing too much. It's a little settled. But these sunglasses are a conversation starter for sure, because it's like, what is on your face? The gray marble, come on, man. And then the lenses are nice on my face. They're not too dark. They're dark, but they're not like jet black. I can see out with no problem. Like, you could also see my eyes through them. I don't know if the camera is picking it up right now, but how y'all feel about these? Last one real quick so you can see. Hey man, I got these on. Got me looking like a boss, feeling like a boss. I'm finna go make some boss moves. Simple as that, you feel me? Like, come on, man. These glasses on, I'm not trying to talk. I'm here to make business moves and make money transactions. That's all I'm here for. And then I gotta go about my day. That's how I feel. This is what these are giving, bro. Let me know what y'all feel about these. Real talk. Alright, 2 Block fam, this is the review on these Balenciaga sunglasses. Let me know how y'all feel about these. What's y'all opinion on these? Me personally, I like them. I'm just waiting on the right fit to wear them. Stay tuned for the fit for when I wear these. Let me know y'all thoughts on them. Would y'all wear these? Would y'all cop these? If y'all would wear these, what would y'all wear with them? You know, let me know how y'all feel about these. How y'all feel about this style of sunglasses? How I feel about the marble in these sunglasses? I feel like they're very unique, very different. Like I say, definitely a conversation starter. But that's it with the review. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Shout out to my 2 Fly fam. Shout out to my supporters. Shout out to all my subscribers. Shout out to everybody who rock with me, everybody who been rocking with me, everybody who gonna continue to rock with me and stay with me throughout my journey on YouTube. I appreciate y'all. Everybody who been showing me love, who been taking the extra mile to comment, to like a video. All of that, man, I appreciate all that. I've been feeling so much gratitude from all the love I've been receiving from YouTube. And I just want to get all that love back to you guys tenfold. Really appreciate that, man. I appreciate the love. I do, man. Let's stay connected on social media. My Instagram and TikTok is 2FlyB. My Snapchat is FlyManB. My business email is in the description below. Make sure y'all take care of yourself. Stay prayed up. I love y'all. I'm going to get up with y'all next video. Be smooth.